Do you suffer from constipation?
If you need to go, this papaya smoothie is a natural constipation relief that tastes good and is definitely effective. Just make sure you need a bathroom after drinking. Why papaya? The star ingredient papaya is not only sweet and juicy, but also loaded with an enzyme called papain that helps break down proteins, easing digestion. Plus, it's packed with fiber, adding bulk to stool and making it easier to pass. Almond milk provides a creamy base without the heaviness of dairy. It's gentle on the stomach and rich in vitamin E, supporting overall digestive health. Why water and almonds? Staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining healthy bowel movements, and almonds provide additional fiber and magnesium, which helps relax the muscles on the digestive tract. Oats are a fantastic source of soluble fiber, forming a gel like substance in the digestive tract that softens stools and promotes regularity. Plus, they are packed with beta glucans, which can support a healthy gut microbiome. Flax seeds are fiber powerhouses, helping to bulk up a stool and keep things moving smoothly. They also contain omega 3 fatty acids, which have anti inflammatory properties to soothe your digestive system. Adding just a pinch of cinnamon not only enhances the flavor, but also offers an anti inflammatory benefit, reducing bloating and discomfort. Blend together until smooth and creamy. I would recommend to have it with an empty stomach during the morning and just make sure you are near to a bathroom for the next half an hour. If you would like to have home remedies for constipation, just sign up to my bulletin. It's in the video description and also in the comments. Sign up to my email list and I'll be sending for a week home remedies that you can easily make at home.